Picture frames have a vast and fascinating history that follows the fashion and stylistic trends of every period since medieval times. What I am making today is a simplistic wood frame made from Dollar Tree wood crate slab and a plastic photo holder. So the supplies that you will need include a plastic photomagnetic frame, black Rust-Oleum paint, or you can use chalk paint, a saw, pearl beads, small mirror squares, and small square glass tiles. So what you want to do is cut the plank in half vertically with a saw or anything that may be easy. As you can see, I was struggling. Once the wood is cut, then you need to take sandpaper or sand block and sand the rough edges until they're smooth. Then you can paint it black or a color of your choice, or you can use chalk paint and then let it dry. You may also spray the underside or paint the underside for a finished look. Once dry, you will cut the mirrored plastic tiles to size and remove the paper and put the sticky side to the first piece of the wood slab, then the second wood slab. And you need to make sure that you press firmly to make sure they have been well affixed to the wood. Then you want to find or remove tile that you put on, like your backsplash, and they have the little tiny glass ceramic pieces. Well, I happen to have some of that, and I took 4 of those off and I just hot glued it to the 4 corners of the underside of the photo holder. Since the plastic insert is very plain, I decided that I would take some pearls and affix them to the front to kind of make a pattern. And then after you have done, you can slip it into your photo holder and make sure that you put your favorite picture in your photo holder that you made. If you like what you have seen today, please like, comment, save, and subscribe. In addition, you can follow me on Instagram at Z9Designs. Thank you. Have a lovely day.